Well, good morning. I am Deacon Timothy Lyons, and I'm doing my first ever Temu review on an essential oils air diffuser from Temu. And when I received the package, I'm like, is that all the bigger it is? Because, pictures always tell a different story. Just like some of the things in the Bible. Anyways, here's the package. So, I'm going to do my review onto it. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And then later on, I'll post another video and I will show you how it works. So originally I ordered this on December 17th of this year. It was about 6 something in the morning when I ordered it. And it took them 10 days to deliver it to my address. Now I had made another order for something else, and it's taking a little while because the coat that I had ordered with my hat, scarf, and gloves that I ordered, they sent me a message and said that it was out of stock and they reimbursed my money, which I was very surprised. So I'm still getting my hat, my scarf, and my gloves. I'm still getting my hat, my scarf, and my gloves. I'm just waiting for that to come in. And I had to order my another coat, but I ordered it from Amazon. So I will do an Amazon review too once I receive my coat from Amazon. So, opening this package so I can show you guys what this essential oils air diffuser looks like. And I got the 6 oils and the air diffuser for surprisingly $15. Because on most internet sites for an air diffuser, some want me like $40 to $50 price range for an air diffuser. Now, here are the essential oils that you have eucalyptus, you have lavender, you have lemongrass, peppermint, sweet orange, and tea tree. This is what your package looks like for the essential oils. And I will open that up for you guys. And sometimes I don't feel too excited about certain things because it's like when you watch a McDonald's commercial and they show that big juicy cheeseburger, and I was like, wow, man, is it that big? Then you go there and it's not even that big. It's like that wrapped up in wax paper. And I'm like, come on, man. I was like, because I'm used to being disappointed. I've been disappointed a lot in my lifetime over the 44 years that I have lived. Thank God. But they always say big things come in small packages, so expect something big from something small, So as I'm trying to open up this package, this box. Alright. So, here's what your oil looks like inside the package, which is pretty nice and neat how they package these. I'm very surprised. And it looks like there's like different little tubes for each one, like little clear tubes for the oils and stuff, which is pretty nice. And all the containers for the tubes are like a glass, which is very nice instead of plastic, which tells me that it's going to be some really good oils when they come in glass containers like this. So very nice, very nice. I'm not arguing with the price over this. These were, I think these were like three something. maybe 4 something from Temu. So that was the essential oils. So now I'm going to pull out this mystery air diffuser. No, I don't know what happened here. Something dropped out of the package. Oh boy. Oh wow. That's a shocker. Okay. So inside the package here, they had sent me Temu gift card, our giveaway to your family and friends. So here's a Temu gift card that they have sent, 3 of them. It says scratch for code, and they give you, a scanner code. It says download the Temu app, type code into search bar, and claim your giveaway within 24 hours. Sweet. I'll have to try that out. That's very nice of them. Very nice of them. It was unexpected. Maybe something they did a little special for the holidays. You have 3 Temu gift cards. That's pretty nice. Yeah. That was the first Christmas present I got all year long. Wow, that's pretty neat. I might have to try that out. So here is the package. Like I said, big things come in small packages. Here's the mini, which they didn't say that when they had it on the Temu website. The mini was not involved. It just said air or oil diffuser. So humidifier. So they didn't say anything about mini. Okay, because Mickey wasn't involved. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to show you what mini looks like. Okay, so here we have this. I'll find out what that is later. And here we have a power source that goes into USB. Okay. And here we have the user manual, which is pretty well a step-by-step instruction. And now we'll pull out our mystery mini air humidifier. I like the texture, the feeling of the packaging that they put it in. But this is the dark wood air oil diffuser humidifier. Okay. So apparently your plug-in plugs in the back here. You just take this little round end right here and it inserts in the back just like that. And you plug it into a USB source. You can plug it into your USB port on your laptop. You can use I'm guessing you can use an extra USB phone charger end if you have one. Then this part pops off. Okay, I see what that is. It's an extra, like a little filter that goes down in here, in this part. They send you a little extra, like a little filter. Like some of the Airwick essential oils has the little filter inside the machine. So I'm gonna have to read it a little bit more, but I think, let's see, just twist it, pull it up, bang, voila. So this is my review on the Temu. That locks in place, thank you. So this is my review on the Temu oil humidifier, and I will post another one to show you how it's working, and I will do my rating and review. You guys have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this review.